What up, y'all? SincereOfficiaL checking in. And I'm up here right now at Calabar Grill. It's lit. Yo, performances is lit. The people up here is lit. Y'all come up and show them some love, man. Calabar Grill, SincereOfficiaL, CampOfficiaLMusicGroup. We in the building. Let's get it. Alright?
Like 3 years to the top 10. Smooth operator if I use a pen. I got stats in this bitch like an athlete. I be running shit just like a track meet. They be hating on me cause they know I'm lit. Got a bad one with me, she be rolling shit. And I hope that y'all listening. Dropping diamonds for the christening. Sub-Zero flow cold. Too hot, too hold. I got flows for days and days for flows. When you really rap, that's how it goes. Bruce Lee, boy, I got the glow. I'm styling now, so watch me go. Shit, this my flow on the regular. I just keep going, no letting up.
I'm live, doing my thing. Everybody wanna get a little reach to the pop. When the last one should have bust around. Play behind the top, playing rules. The talking niggas like it's me and you. I'm just talking niggas like it's me and you. Niggas doesn't have that I wanna think. Telling me niggas like come, niggas just snakes. I am the trauma of the state. Trauma, on the roll in the roll. Like a third from the bomb. My ex keep calling. Yeah, I keep calling.
I'm so cold, so cold. So cold, so cold. I'm so cold, so cold.